Hello, I'm Sven Wode from InfraTec. I would like to present you our new camera system ImagIR 6300Z, which is built around a new generation swap detector. Therefore, the camera itself is rather compact and flexible, and even with our radiometric zoom lens, it's even more compact. You don't need to use any other lenses anymore. We will show you now some features of this camera. Your application requires a rather flexible camera in terms of different object sizes you might have on your application, or you have different distances to your object or limited distances to your object, and you need a high spatial resolution. Then we have a camera with a 6300Z which combines all these flexibility features in one camera. To show you these features, we have the camera built up on the stand, looking at the electronic board where we will want to measure the temperature differences, and we will do the application, the remote control and the analysis with our IRBIS software. With the shown setup, the camera is looking on the PCB, and with the IRBIS software we see the infrared image captured by the camera. The distance to the PCB is about 60 centimeters, and we have the wide angle position of the zoom lens. So we can see the temperature distribution of the big area of the PCB. If you would like to see the center of the image where the region of interest is positioned, we can zoom in. First, we already measuring a temperature value in a certain area with 62.6 degrees C. And when we are zooming in to see more details, to measure more details, we are doing this way, and still we have the same temperature measured on the same position. Means the radiometric zoom is real radiometric. You don't need to care about any recalibration or adapting of calibration. Now we can see very much more details than before on the area of the region of interest. With the second step, we can even increase the spatial resolution by using the macro function of this lens. Means we are not changing the zoom, but we are changing the distance of the lens to the object. So instead of the 60 centimeter distance, we are changing the working distance to the 5 centimeters. We prepared already such an image because it would take too long to change the setup. So we have then this image with even more detailed resolution of the area. The temperature is a little bit less than before because it was a different measurement setup with different electrical environment, but we can adapt the colors like this, and we can see a similar temperature distribution as before. So as a summary, we can state that we have a zoom lens which is full radiometric. We can zoom in to see much more details, and to increase the detail we can use the macro functionality of the lens to change the working distance and have even higher spatial resolution, all with the same calibration base. With the radiometric system ImagIR 6300Z, we have the following key benefits. First of all, we have the 180 Hz frame rate in full frame mode. Additionally, with the built-in radiometric zoom lens, you can save money by not buying other additional lenses, but also you are saving time because you don't have to change these lenses. To learn more about additional features of this camera, please contact us. You're very welcome.